G'day, my name's Christian and I just completed Lawrence Akers' Recording for Hypnotherapists online workshop. And I got to say, it was an excellent workshop, and I'm not normally one to be able to do online learning, but there was something about the way Lawrence has set this up which makes it really easy to follow. It was really important for me to be able to get a good grasp of how to do an online recording, and I tried to teach myself using Audacity and a few of the other learning techniques that are online already, and I just couldn't quite get the hang of it. So if you're struggling to learn how to use online recording, or maybe you've never even looked at it yet, I'd strongly recommend you save yourself a lot of time and just go straight to this course, because you'll get to learn all of the essentials that you really do need to get a recording down on track and to be able to distribute it to your clients, and it will sound perfectly professional. It will sound absolutely spot on. You can get rid of errors, you can fix things up, you can add some special effects, you can cut out pieces where you make a mistake. And if all of that seems like it's really difficult, then again I encourage you to take a look at Lawrence's course, because the way he explains it on the course is just sensational. It makes it really easy to follow. It's very practical, step by step, and if you do each of those little tasks along the way, you'll find it really quite easy to follow. At the end of the day, if I could learn, then I'm sure you could too. So if you're thinking about it, it's well worth the investment. You can make that money back time and time again. And to my surprise, most of all, it really is a lot of fun. And I've had a great time making those recordings, and I'm pretty hooked now. I'm going to make a whole lot more over the weekend. And I hope you find the same enjoyment from it too. Well worth the investment. Thanks, Lawrence.